Hello to my free of charge Christian tutorial on how to create very beautiful artistic uh, memes. Memes, yes, they don't have to be called memes, but a lot of people call them memes, and they are very Christian. And I'm going to teach you today on how to create them very simply, very easily, and it doesn't take a lot of effort. What I will do is I will mainly showcase the simple steps behind it, so you can all do it while I do it, or you can do it after I do it, because it's really simple and it doesn't require a lot of effort. So first thing you might want to do is you want to get your images, you want to get your pictures, uh, preferably from Bing, Microsoft Edge. We don't really support Google Chrome after the lizard use have bought it out. So sorry, now we use Bing. Bing, very good tool, very powerful, very fast, much faster than Chrome. Oh, much faster. Okay, so here I have two pictures. I have a picture of Bob Ross, a Christian artist, which it might not be known to many, but uh, he is there. He is a Bob Ross. Not many know him. That's what I meant to say. But um, if you want to look him up, you can use Bing again. Just search it up on Bing. And okay, let's get back to the subject. Okay, so we have Bob Ross, and we have my Facebook profile picture. And probably most of you watching are from Christian Moms Against Fortnite, and you probably want to learn my artistic skills. So I'll show you the basics. Sorry again. Okay, so once I'm on the main screen, I have the picture of Bob Ross, and I'm just going to simply add my picture onto his face. So I have my picture here, and make sure it's the right size, make sure it's the right settings, whatever it is, and add a picture on top of Bob Ross' face. Make sure it covers most of the facial features. You don't want to show a forehead or an ear. And then if I can find it here. Okay, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I have my Christian text, and I put Christianity. I got it all ready, so you don't have to waste time. But if you want to, all you do is you go to insert, you add your text box, and you basically put down what you want. You go to home tab, and you put the right sizing. Mine is 32, and the font doesn't matter, but you put it on the bold font, and you put on a underline. So underline gives it a really powerful Christian look. It's really bold, straight in your face, saying, "Hey, Bob Ross is painting the word Christianity with my face on his face." So this is really powerful. And I didn't mention, you would like to use PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a really artistic, powerful tool. We argue with Hans every day. He likes to use, personally, he likes to use Microsoft Word, and I say, well, that's not really as compatible as PowerPoint. And he uses Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is a really tricky tool to use. So I really do suggest PowerPoint. PowerPoint really powerful, really artistic. As you can see, I have been a graphic designer for quite some time now, and I've been using PowerPoint every single time. Every single time after my second meme, I titled myself as a graphic designer, which really suits me as a Christian pastor. And many of you get to witness my great work, and I had thousands of emails on my Yahoo, people asking me, how do you create these? What do you use? Do you use Photoshop? What's Photoshop? We don't use Photoshop. They asked me if how much I paid for my lessons to create these. And here it is. It's free. It's for everyone to watch, and it's the basics, and you can practice. And with practice, you won't become as good as me, but with practice, you can really top it up. So thank you for watching my free of charge tutorial, and I will see you in the group or whatever.